Welcome to the IR video help file. Today we'll be covering how to create a product on a stock tree. From the back office, click on Active Stock. Click on the folder or category you would like the product to be placed in. Should the category not exist, then on the Active Stock folder, right click and select New, Group, and enter a name for the category followed by Enter. With the correct folder highlighted, move your eye to the right hand side of the Active Stock screen and you will see a new icon. This will now open the Article Supplier window where we will start to fill in all relevant fields for the specific stock product, i.e. supplier. Select the supplier from which the product has been purchased from the drop-down. Should the supplier not exist, then click on the underlined word supplier, and this will then open a window to create the supplier and their information. Brand. If you are wanting to insert a brand, then you will first need to set them up in Configuration Brands. Please refer to another video help guide or help sheet on how to set this up. Alternatively, you may skip past this field and return later. Supplier's description. This is the description that you would like to appear on a receipt. We recommend a naming convention of brand, style, and then type of product. Example, Jellycat, Brenda, Plush, Toy, Cat. Supplier's code. This will be the supplier's code normally found in catalogues and delivery notes. Very useful if you are reordering items. Example, RNC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Supplier's barcode. Scan or type the barcode into the field labelled. Example, reorder code. Enter an alternative code if the supplier is using something different to the supplier's code. If no alternative is given, leave blank. Supplier's group code. Enter a merchandising group name or range name here. If you have no range, leave blank. We have some other items here where we can do things like minimum quantity per pack. So here, you'd enter the lowest multiple in which you buy the products, as this will help remind you when reordering to keep within the pack size. Example, 12 if you have to buy in packs of 12. If you buy this product in single, leave this blank. Supplier's price. Enter the net unit cost price, excluding VAT, charged by the supplier for the product. If you enter this here, it will help when you create purchase orders and run gross profit margin reports. VAT code. This should be automatically populated with the VAT code that you have attributed when the supplier was created. If you need to change, then select the correct VAT code. Example, T1 standard rate VAT. Now hit the save icon. You will notice that your article has now been created in the left-hand panel of the Active Stock window, under the category folder. It will remain in italics until you click on the save icon in the top left-hand corner of the Active Stock window. You are now ready to enter the product information for the selling retail part of the article. Article code. Each article created is automatically given a unique article code. This number can be written on a pricing ticket to identify the stock item at the till if no barcode is available. This is the code which will be used to print on barcode labels from within Connect. Barcode. An extra field is provided should the product have more than one barcode, or possibly you may be moving from another EPOS system and want to keep the old barcode labels to access this product in Connect Now. This will save relabeling all of your products. Stock quantity. This will reflect the current stock available and is updated either by doing a stock movement entry or doing a goods in, goods out process. Bin location. If you have warehouse shelving or specific storage area in your business, this field will store the location of the product and is useful when printing out stock take forms. Price. A suggested retail price will appear here. The price is based on the calculation between the net supplier's price and the markup set in the configuration settings. You can change the retail price by clicking in the box and removing the suggested price and entering the price at which you wish to sell the product. Example, £2.50. RRP. You may place a recommended retail price here and it will then reflect when using a website. The RRP, but this is purely informational and will not be used for selling on till or the website. VAT code. This will automatically populate with the VAT code that you have attributed when a supply was selected. If you wish this article to have a different VAT code, click on the down arrow to the right of this field and choose an alternative VAT code. Preferred supplier. This will reflect the supplier chosen when first creating the product. Should you wish to make any changes to the supplier information, you may click on the wording and it will open the window to make the revised changes. Carriage band. Specify which delivery carriage band this product will fall into when selling online and or in a sales order. Refer to our video regarding carriage bands for more detailed information to decide which is best. Replenish. Select which is the best method to restock this product. This field is really useful if you're wishing to use the reorder report, i.e. none. Once only and ignore replenishments on this product. Min-max levels. Set your min and max levels so you are always ensure you are on the top of your stock levels. Suggested. This will look at your sales trend on a product over a certain period of time and then suggest how much to replenish based upon your sales. Reorder level. If you wish to restock products to a certain level, then enter the quantity here. Full text. This is where you will place all marketing detail information for the product. This will display on your multi-channels such as your website, eBay and Amazon. Picture. This will allow you to place a single image against this product. If you require more images for your website, you can do so in the multi-channel web shop. You would do this by clicking on Browse and selecting your picture. This will now complete the full stock record information. Remember, the more you put into the system, the better, as you can then easily reference or find the product easier. Should you need to make changes to the name of the article, to display correctly on receipt, you can do so by right-clicking on the article on the left-hand side and selecting Rename. Type in a new name and press Enter to secure the changes. After all changes have been applied and you're happy, click the Save icon on the top left-hand corner section of the article stock window. Should you forget, Connect will offer you a warning reminder to save down the changes. This completes adding a product to your stock tree. If you have any further questions, please call the Intelligent Retail Help Desk on 0845 680 0127. Thank you.